Checkpoint, we innovate, create and reinvent tradition. NEO is a brand new electronics engine that represents a seismic shift in EAS. Centered around RF and RFID technology, NEO creates a new benchmark within the loss prevention industry, forming a radical connected store environment. Our revolutionary NEO engine delivers the highest performing electronics on the market. Our advanced technology improves detection by up to 35%, and NEO detects even the smallest labels. With detection up to 9 feet between antennas, NEO is capable of providing consistently superb coverage. With industry-first secure wireless connectivity, installations are quicker, easier and less disruptive. The flexibility of the NEO engine also allows us to make individual antenna designs based on the customer's exact application requirements. The engine forms the core of the range with award-winning design, each tailored for uniquely different retail store environments. With NEO, you'll benefit from numerous additional features without compromising on aesthetics. Combined with automatic software updates, NEO keeps your systems at the cutting edge. NEO is driving exceptional performance, closing the gap on detection. The versatility of NEO EAS technology and design presents opportunities for future innovations beyond expectations. Welcome to the EAS revolution. Welcome to NEO.